So, Arjun, I've been thinking, since we're giving the house a makeover, why don't we go for a modern vibe? Something sleek and minimalistic.
A modern vibe, huh? Sounds good, but let's not go overboard. We don't want to break the bank.
Of course, I'm not saying we should go overboard, just some thoughtful changes. Like for the living room, how about we go with a neutral color palette? They make the space look bigger and more open.
I'm on board with that. Light colors would definitely make the space look bigger. But what about the curtains? Should we go with sheer curtains or blackout curtains?
For the living room, I'd say sheer curtains all the way. They let in natural light and keep things looking soft, bright, and airy. But for the bedroom, blackout curtains or shades are a no-brainer. We need our beauty sleep without the sun barging in.
No argument there, especially since it gets so bright in the mornings. I've seen some with thermal linings that can help keep the room cool too. A win-win, right?
I like that idea, practical and energy saving. For the sheers, maybe we could choose something in off-white or a soft beige. It would complement the neutral walls, plus we could layer them with light-colored drapes to add a bit of texture.
Yeah, that could tie the whole look together. And don't forget the study room. Since I'm working from home more, I need proper shades there, maybe roller shades? Something that offers privacy, but still lets in natural light.
Roller shades are perfect for that. I'd say go with a soft gray or a muted blue. Something easy on the eyes that would give a professional yet relaxed vibe.
Yeah, muted blue sounds good. It keeps things calm and collected. Now, what about the other bits and bobs? We need new rugs, cushions, maybe a couple of art pieces to jazz things up.
I've been thinking about that too. For the rugs, maybe we go for something with a geometric pattern in the living room. It'll add a bit of pop without being too in your face. And for the throw pillows, we can mix and match textures, some velvet, some linen.
That would definitely add depth, but we should keep it cohesive. Maybe pick a color scheme and stick to it across the room?
True, I'm thinking a mix of grays, whites, and maybe a pop of mustard yellow or teal for a bit of contrast. What do you think?
I love that idea. The mustard yellow or teal would really stand out against the neutral tones. It'll give the space some character without overwhelming it.
Exactly, and we can incorporate those colors in the cushions and maybe even a statement piece of art. Speaking of art, I've seen some local artists who create beautiful abstract pieces. We could support them and get something unique for our walls.
That sounds great. I'd love to have something original. We could even visit a few galleries this weekend to see what catches our eye.
Perfect. And for the lighting, we should consider some sleek pendant lights for the dining area. Something modern that complements the overall vibe.
Yes, pendant lights would be a great focal point. I've seen some with a matte finish that would match well with the color scheme.
And for the living room, maybe some floor lamps with a minimalist design. They can add warmth and ambiance without taking up too much space.
Good call. We could also look for smart bulbs that allow us to adjust the brightness and color temperature. That way, we can set the mood depending on the time of day.
I love that. It'll make the space feel even more inviting. And let's not forget about plants. A few indoor plants could really liven up the space and improve air quality.
Absolutely. We could go for low-maintenance plants like snake plants or pothos. They're stylish and easy to care for.
Great idea. I can already picture it. A modern, cozy home filled with light, texture, and a touch of color.
Me too. Let's make a list of everything we need and start shopping. I'm excited to see how it all comes together.
Same here. This is going to be fun. Let's transform our space into something we'll love coming home to every day.